It goes.
Everyone on board?
Aye, aye.
Full tail!
Can you where does that I can't fit through there. Right, now you can. Go then.
Oh, I'm stuck.
I'm not. I'm watching. You've got to tell me when you're about to go down.
here, look. That's his boat. Grandpa Rabbit's boat. There he is, look. There you go. Oh. Way. Here we go. Who can you see? I can see Peppa. Here's Peppa Pig. Wow. Lovely. Oh look, here we go. Here's Peppa with the Queen. Look, she's jumping. Look, they're jumping up and down in muddy puddles. It's amazing. At least we're on opposite sides, Lise, because we'd end up capsizing it, I think. Ah!
That's what the guy said.
Oh, okay. Gonna hit the side again.
Look at all the pumpkins.
It's great, isn't it?
They've really outdone themselves in their pumpkins. They must have spent a fortune.
Zack, I've never seen so many pumpkins.
I've never seen so many pumpkins. Mr. Bull digging up the road.
There's some pretty flowers.
Whoa!
There's
There's
Mr.
so
Ball.
much to do. There it is. Look, the red flowers. Oh, I'm nearly getting my wet bum.
Oh, we're really spinning now, Zack. Spinning loads.
There's grandpa on the boat.
So Zack, tell me who you can see on here. Name all the characters. Who can you see?
There
I
is
can see-
grandpa. Daddy,
There's Zoe Zebra. Yeah.
grandpa.
Who else? There's Peppa. There's George. Who's the rabbit? It's not Mrs. Rabbit. What's? They're twins, are they? The rabbits.
Yeah. I think the elephant is famous for the telephone.
It's Richard Rabbit.
And what's the elephant called?
Clever clone.
What's the elephant called?
I'm a clever clone.
Yeah, but what's his
Emily.
name? Edmund. It's Edmund.
Oh.
Edmund Elephant.
It's Emily.
Well, I don't know, but one of them's called Edmund. Isn't it?
Yeah, that's her brother.
Oh, Edmund is the clever clogs, isn't he? Edmund Elephant is a clever clogs.
Grandpa Pig's asleep on his boat.
Yeah, here we go, Zack, back into the station.
Oh, we're gonna hit.
Uh-oh, we're going to crash. Oh, the bag came off.
It did come off.
Is that alright? That's a funny noise, isn't it?
That is a noise, that is, isn't it?
I didn't make the noise. It's Grampy Rabbit. Go stand in front of him. Wow, look at Grampy Rabbit. Who's that? Who's that? I don't know. Zacky Pig and Peppa Pig. Zacky Pig and Peppa Pig. Oh look, Zack, this turns. It turns. Oh my god. That's cool. It could be quite long this ride because we've got to load everyone.
So it's like cheese.
That's so weird, isn't it?
Oh, isn't it weird?
What a strange ride.
Goes up and down, round and round.
It does, doesn't it? A nice view though. Wow. It's like you're like a little cloud. So look at the view. Look out. What can you see? I like that building with all the grass on the roof.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Are we going there again?
Look, Zack, I can see Peppa Pig.
Well, let's go back the other way now.
Taller than a tree.
You are, aren't you?
Yeah, you're right.
Wow.
I don't know how this works because then that one stopped down there to let people on and off. But these are still keep going.
We're right at the top. We're right at the top.
We're right at the top then.
You can see that, Zack. Try and see the top of the tower. Look. Peppa Pig's at the top. Have a look. Look up. Look. Look up here. Look.
Peppa Pig! That's the top.
I'm going down.
You can see Peppa Pig at the top.
We're going round and round.
Look. Try and look at the top of the tower.
Oh, hi, Peppa.
Hi.
Hello. It's all about the moon ride, isn't it? What's that hair?
There's a cloud.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Oh my god, it's so rickety.
It's well good.
Wow.
Zack, you're driving the tractor.
Wow, go around the garden. So there's apple trees. Look at the
Apple trees. So they've got apple trees. It's a good place to have lunch.
Smells nice.
Yeah. What do the buttons do? So look outside. Look, there's lots of plants.
Steering wheel just
That's
like
it.
a car.
Oh look, beavers. We should do that,
Garden, isn't it?
do that little roller coaster. Look, I think that one looks good.
Yeah.
So what can you see? Look, there's vegetables.
Lots of
Look, they're
vegetables.
growing lettuces. There's
Is it coming with the rain?
yeah,
There's loads of vegetables, isn't
look,
there?
the rhubarb. We've got rhubarb down there. Wow, this is really good.
Trees.
Mommy, keep pressing all these buttons.
Yeah.
So we're going to go for a tunnel.
There's a chicken up there.
Wow.
How do they take care of these gardens while this is
That's
running?
great, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like living with the land.
Yeah. Look, he's biting through the wire. He's bit through it. Look, smile. Oh.
Camera. Smile for
I
the
thought you mean it.
camera.
That's smile then. That'd be funny to see that.
Oh, look at that. He's nicked all the carrots. Look.
And he's eating the corn.
There's a tire.
Yeah.
What's that track?
Probably for the main train that goes around the park.
Maybe.
Like a train.
This is well good.
Oh, I love this tractor ride.
Actually feels like a tractor. Sounds like a tractor. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. I love all the stuff around the side. Landscape.
Yeah.
Greenhouse. Is there tomatoes in
I wonder if they use it like the food to eat.
there? Living with the
Yeah,
land
even
restaurant.
what they call topiary.
Yeah.
Topiary.
Oh, spin that wheel, Zack. We're turning right.
Pear trees.
What's that? Look at the chickens up there.
I can hear a barrier crossing.
Does that mean the train's coming? We actually see the train.
Hey.
Is that a big pumpkin in front?
Massive pumpkin. I can hear the train.
There's a train.
There it is.
There it is, yeah.
Zack, we're gonna
It
see
is
the
running
train.
today. So look to your right, you're going to see the train. Look to your right, over here, look.
There it is.
Wow.
Is that his alarm?
That's the barrier alarm.
It's not a bell.
No, it's not a bell, it's an alarm.
I was coming into the station now, Zach. Good driving, Zach. You did very well.
Oh, look at that little well.
I really like this ride.
Yeah, they really put effort into it.
Yeah, they've got a good amount of effort into it.
I was
Right, this is the
enjoying
exit here. Zach, we can always come on again. I
Right,
thought it was
come in.
brilliant.
Zack,